Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on the 55-inch Vibe Board S1. So it is kind of heavy. We're going to cut these and we should be able to lift this box straight up now. Okay, it lifted straight up, but the place where you put your hand kind of catches, so you may have to cut that little piece of cardboard that's going in, and then it should lift straight up. All right, let's take these two side pieces off. Now it is kind of heavy. Now, it does weigh over 50 pounds, and it is really heavy. So the first thing I did is take this off. For some reason, it feels heavier than 50 pounds. But here's what the bottom looks like. Here's what the top looks like. In the box, there is this has some stuff in it. Quick start guide. Looks like a pin. Some extra tips. And a power cord. All right. And that's it. Oh no. We get two pins. All right. Excellent. All right. Looks like on the left side, HDMI port. And 3 USB-C ports. And then on the bottom right-hand side, that's where you plug it in. And on the bottom right-hand side looks like a button. This looks to be like speakers. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So it does have a mount where you can mount a TV or a stand. I think these are metric. It's like a number 6 or something. But it is a metric screw. It doesn't come with any screws, but you got to pry up these little plugs. And here's all the plugs.